Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing these silicone salt pods. These are the refills, which is compatible with the Navage nasal care. These ones right here will help you save over the life of your Navage machine. Alright, so we got our silicone replacements for the Navage. So instead of buying these salt packets, this one right here will help bypass all that. It will save you money in the long run, and also I will show you how to use it. So first off, in this one you do get a packet of 10. So you get 10 different ones. So in case one breaks or doesn't work anymore, you've got 9 other ones. Alright, so we got my Navage machine right here. And I did have a different silicone, but I've had it for a while, so it was time to change them out. So first off, you want to make sure you don't get it backwards so that it doesn't go in like this way. You turn it the other way, so there's a little hole. So on the bottom of this, the little white piece that from the machine will go in like that. And it is a little tight fitting, so you'll have to push down the top to close it a little bit harder. So it should fit just in here, just like this. And then when you close the top, you want to push down a little bit harder. So now I'm going to put some water in here, and I've already got it in, as you can see. It's already in and nice and tight in there. Just make sure you push down really tight so it covers up the access points. So I'm going to turn it on and then push the button, and you can see it flow. And as you can see, it does work. So these are made of 100% medical grade silicone. It is waterproof, non-toxic, bumper proof, scratch proof. So this is made for all the Navage machines. So if you're sick and tired of buying those pods just because you want to use this Navage and don't want to spend all that, so you can just use these ones right here. You can use the same usage and not have to buy the pods that it comes with. You could buy your own saline salts to put it in the machine. So you do get 10 of these ones. Make sure you put these ones on. Like I said, they are 100% medical grade silicone. They are waterproof, non-toxic, bumper proof, scratch resistant, and they will save you money in the long run. So if you're sick and tired of spending for these pods that come with this machine, I would highly recommend checking out these salt pod refills. They will save you money in the long run, and they do work with this machine.